So let's practice proportion questions. Out of 32 students in a class, 5 said they ride their bikes to school. Based on these results, how many of the 800 students in the school ride their bikes to school? There's several ways you can solve it. First of all, you can make a table. In this table, you need to label it. This question is about students and kids who ride their bikes. So I'm going to put down, I don't know, I guess students right here. And these are the bicycle riders. So I'm labeling it. But the very important part is actually putting the numbers in the correct spot. 32 students in a class, so 32 goes here. 5 said they ride their bike to school. So 32 students, 5 said they ride their bikes. By the way, if you wrote the labels the other way, it is okay. If you put bikes on top, students bottom, it's okay. But as long as you put the numbers in the correct spot. Based on the result, how many of the 800 students, so 800 goes here, and then I need to find this part. So that's one way you do it. Another way you could do it is something called proportion, where it's the same thing, but you could write it this way: 32 students, 800 students. Oh, it's the same thing. And 5 bicycle equal X. So it's the same thing. So now we need to find the relationship. We can do a side to side relationship, or we could do an up and down relationship. Find which one is easier for you. I'm going to do a side to side relationship. How many groups of 32s go into 800? Well, 32 does not go into 8, but 32 goes into 82 times, which is 64. If I subtract 80 minus 64, I get 16. I bring down the 0. How many groups of 32 goes into 165 times? And I am done. So the scale factor we are multiplying by is 25. So what is 5 groups of 25? 25, 50, 75, 100, 125. And that is our answer. Here's another way to see it. Using proportion, same thing. I multiply by the scale factor of 25. And so solution, the answer is 125 bicycle riders.